Welcome dear students to online classes. Standard 5th subject EVS 2. Lesson number 5 Evolutions of Mankind Part 2. Students, we have learned that man evolved from different stages and each stages it become more better and advanced. There were development in his and physical ability. In last video, we have learned about Homo habilis, Homo erectus and Neanderthal man. So students, let us revise again and afterwards we will move to the next topic. Who was Homo habilis? Homo habilis was skilled human who could use hands skillfully. The remains was first found in the region of Kenya and Tanzania. They could stand on 2 feet and walk. They hunted small animals and also they gathered food, roots, berries, etc. Next stage after Homo habilis is Homo erectus. The name itself says that it could stand erect and learn how to use fire. They use fire to protect themselves from cold weather. Homo erectus made tools like hand axes. The next stage is Neanderthal man. The Neanderthal man was physically big or strong. The remains was first found in the place called Neanderthal in Germany. So it is known as Neanderthal man. They lived in caves. They learned to make fire by rubbing two stones against each other. They made weapons like spear, axe, etc. They hunted bigger animals and were meat eaters. They communicate with each other and by producing grunts and other primary sounds. The next point is Homo sapiens. Homo sapiens means wise man or intelligent man or intellectual man. The human species that were more intelligent than any other earlier species was named Homo sapiens. Homo sapiens is a name used for humans that were more advanced than the Neanderthal. The next stage after Neanderthal man was Homo sapiens. In Europe, Homo sapiens is also known as Cro-Magnon man. The remains have been found in the continent of Europe, Asia and Africa. Homo sapiens made different kinds of tools and implements to suit their tasks they needed to do. For example, hunted bigger animal made one kind of tool such as spear for scraping skin of dead animal. They made another kind of tool they used to scrape the skin with the dead animal. Help of stone blade, they made tools of different types of shape. They used to make stone blade and fix them in grooves and notches made in wood or bone handle. What grooves and notches means a long cut or V shape made in wood or bone handle to attach stone blade and tool. Homo sapiens have developed poor state that they could develop different types of sound. They had evolved the state having fully developed larynx. Larynx means a voice box organ in the top of the neck which could produce different range of sound while fine different. It is a voice box which can be produce different varieties of sounds. Also, jaws and muscles inside the mouth were well developed and tongue was flexible. Homo sapiens was also very imaginative and they look and observe the thing around them. With the help of this imagination, they could give different names. Using this word, he could speak and communicate. In short, he had well-developed language system. Using his imaginations and observation, he could give name different things and started recognizing the things that they had given to them, and afterwards they could develop the language system. He could draw picture on the basis of actual observation as well as imagination. With the help of imaginations and thinking, he could capable while drawing picture. He even began to make artistic objects. That is why he had been named Homo sapiens, that is intelligent man or thinking man. Next, 5.2 Homo sapiens sapiens and civilization. Homo sapiens sapiens means modern man. Homo sapiens sapiens were ancestors of a modern man having similar appearances and health characteristics. Homo sapiens sapiens had given the name to the human has the capacity to think, develop even further than that is Homo sapiens. The capacity of their brains and the grasping power also develop further with time. After some time, Homo sapiens grasping power developed. Homo sapiens sapiens means we. We are the Homo sapiens sapiens. We are the modern human. We have appearances and health characteristics of human being indicate the similarity of the ancestors. Ancestors means a grandfather or forefather. There were our ancestors. Appearances means the way we look. Health characteristics means height, weight, etc. of human being have or indicate the similarity to the ancestor. This is known as heredity. For example, you may look like your father, but you may got height like your mother. May your eyes or ear like your father, hair or skin like your mother. It is known as heredity. The Homo sapiens and Homo sapiens sapiens are the heredity. Homo neanderthal and Homo sapiens they live together for some time. That's the reason the heredity continuously going on. The science that studies the heredity is also known as genetic. Genetic research has shown that in heredity or some character, some features of Neanderthal man. The Homo sapiens and Homo sapiens sapiens are the heredity of Neanderthal man. Thus, it can be said that Neanderthal man and Homo sapiens are both ancestors of the modern human. Around 11,000 and 10,000 BC, Homo sapiens developed the techniques of cultivating lands and keeping animals. Cultivating lands means farming, and we also have been keep the domesticate animal. So, Homo sapiens sapiens developed the capacity to think and cultivate land and domesticate animals also. Thinking power also well developed and speed of which they improve the technology also increase with time. And they began to live more settled life. And they began to grow food grains in field. The changed lifestyles and diet affected the appearances of human. Their body and face grew smaller than they had been earlier generation. So the body structure also changed slowly. Homo sapiens show the intellectual and they live cultural life and physical power also increase. The modern humans are not satisfied with only doing that much. They do not want only to eat and settle life. They wanted to do something. So they have taken more effort to enrich their lives and using their creativity intelligent and skilled human being acquire a cultural and continues to develop it. The technical develop, the cultural progress achieved by modern human, the beginning of agriculture and domestications of animal not be extremely rapid. Homo habilis grow fruit grains in field. The human beings are the species of apes and they are divided into various stages. First, Homo habilis, Homo erectus, Neanderthal man, Homo sapiens, and then is Homo sapiens sapiens, means a modern man. In this lesson, we have learned about evolutions of mankind. The Homo sapiens developed cultural life, agriculture, and growth things. Nowadays, we are the species of apes and we are developed human beings. Students, we have completed our lesson number 5, Evolutions of Mankind. I hope you everyone understood the lesson. So be happy, be safe. Thank you, students.